We are going to see how to do mental math for percentages. That means how to calculate percentages easily. We already know that percent means out of 100. So when the given number is out of 100, it is easy to calculate the percentage. But if we want to calculate something like this, 16 out of 20, how can we do that? We will try to make it out of 100. So first, let me think of 16 out of 20 in terms of a fraction like this, 16 over 20. And now I'm going to think of an equivalent fraction where the denominator is 100 so that it will be out of 100. So if I multiply the numerator and the denominator by 5, I get 80 over 100, which is 80%. If it is 36 out of 60, again I am writing this as a fraction, 36 over 60. Now 100 is not divisible by 60, so I cannot multiply 60 by something and get 100. But what I can do is I can get the denominator as 10. That is quite easy. Let's divide by 6, so we get 6 over 10. And 6 over 10 means 60 over 100, that means 60%. Let's take another example. If it is 220 out of 250, the fraction will look like this, 220 over 250. Again, dividing 250 by something and getting the denominator as 100 is not easy. So instead of getting it as 100, try to make the denominator 50. So let's divide by 5. So 250 divided by 5 gives me 50. Let's divide 220 by 5. Split it as 220. So you get 40 and 4. That means the answer is 44. So our fraction is 44 over 50. Double it, that means 88 over 100 or 88%. Now let's go over some very common percentages. For example, 1/2 is 50%. 1/4 or a quarter is half of that, that is 25%. 3/4 is 75%. 1/5. 1 over 5 is equal to 2 over 10, that means it is 20%. 1/8, it is half of 1/4, that means 12 and half, 12.5%. 1/10 is 10%. These are some of the important fractions which are converted to percentages. You can use these to calculate some other percentages. For example, when I am calculating 15 over 20, I know that this can be reduced to 3 over 4. That means it is 75%. Or I can easily say that 2 over 5 is 40%. Why? Because 1 over 5 is 20%. This is double of that, so it is 40%. And since 2 over 5 is 40%, an equivalent fraction which is 10 over 25, that is also 40%. Or 100 over 250 is also 40%. So you can always reduce any fraction to the lowest term and use the fractions listed here to calculate the percentage.